Welcome to a new series I like to call Things I Find Interesting. So let's get into them. Today's episode is viruses. Computer/phone viruses, to be exact. They have always fascinated me, and even look at these videos.
This virus really surprised me because I thought it would be like others. But my phone started to get slower and I couldn't either delete or open any app. In this part, I was trying to delete apps.
Viruses scare me a lot, but I love them with all my heart. Always be careful when clicking links, emails, websites, and trying to get things cheap. I've always wanted to not only try viruses for myself, but also make one. Not to be widespread, but just a simple thing for myself. That's the end of today's episode. Stay safe, and most importantly, stay curious.